learned exercise 3.11. Before going to exercise, now let us know the concept of quadratic equation by completing square method. Step 1. Write the quadratic equation in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And step number 2. Divide both sides of the equation by coefficient of x square. And coefficient of x square must not be 1. And shift the constant term to the right side. You have to shift the constant term, that is c, to the right side. And step 4, add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x to the both sides. And the square of 1/2, that is 1/2 of the coefficient of x to the both sides. And step number 5, write the left hand side as square and simplify the right hand side. You have to keep the left hand side as square itself and you have to simplify the right hand side. And step number 6, taking the square root on both sides and solve for x. You have to take the square root on both the sides and solve for the value of x. And we have one more method, solving by formula method. It's very simple. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let us move on to exercise 3.11. Question number 1. Solve the following quadratic equations by completing the square method. Sub question 1. 9x square minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. As we learned earlier, take the coefficient of 9 and divide to the other terms. So x square minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. So take this 9 and divide each term by 9. Okay, now 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So x square minus 4 by 3 x plus 4 by 9. So then x square minus 4 by 3 x plus 4 by 9, while it moves to the right side it becomes minus 4 by 9. Okay, then now coefficient of x, multiply 1 by 2 with coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 4 by 3 is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 2s are 2 by 3. 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 3x plus 2 by 3 to both sides is equal to minus 4 by 9. Same 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Now by squaring 2 by 3 is square. Now keep the left hand side as it is. That is x square minus 4 by 3x plus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to now minus 4 by 9 plus 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9. Now you can see minus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4 by 3x plus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to plus 4 by 9 and minus 4 by 9 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 4 by 3x plus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 0. You can see this is a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So write a minus b 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 0. So while removing this square, after removing x minus 2 by 3 is equal to square root of 0. So while it comes here, it becomes square plus or minus 0. So x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 by 3. While it moves to right side, it becomes 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So the value of x is equal to 2 by 3. Question number 2. 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. Now as it is given as equal to, we can do cross multiplication. Considering this as 1, so multiply 1 with 5x plus 7 is 3x plus 2. So 5x plus 7 is equal to, with x multiply 3x as well as 2. X into 3x, 3x into x square plus 2 into x, 2x, and here minus 1 3 into x, 3x, 1 2s are 2 plus into minus minus is equal to 3x square plus 2x, like minus plus 5x, when it comes to the right side it becomes minus 5x. Again here we have 3x, then minus 2 we have plus 7, minus 2 and plus 7 becomes minus 7. After taking all the terms aside it becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 3x square. Same sign, add minus 5x minus 3x, 8x. 8x plus 2x, that is 8x minus 2x is 6x. So 8x is greater, so minus 6x. And here we have same sign, add minus 9. So each term we have multiple of 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So rewrite this equation as 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0 and divide each term by 3. So it becomes 3 1s are, so it is x square minus 3 2s are 6x, 2x, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 0. And write x square minus 2x, and while taking minus 3 to the right side it becomes plus 3. So now add plus 1 to both sides, 1 square and plus 1 square. Okay, now x square minus 2x plus 1 square or 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 into 1, 1. So now it becomes 3 plus 1, 4 is equal to 4. So x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 1 into 1, 1. So write as a square a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Now remove the square, write x minus 1 is equal to 4. While square moves here, it becomes plus or minus square root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So we may have to take plus 2 as well as minus 2. We have to consider plus 2 as well as minus 2. So now x minus 1 is equal to plus 2. Plus 2 and again x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Now x is equal to 2 minus 1 will become plus 1. So x is equal to 3. And here x is equal to minus 2. Minus 1, when it comes here it becomes plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 is greater. So minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Question number 2. Solve the following quadratic equations by formula method. Subquestion 1. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to plus 2. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to, now substitute the values, minus b. So here we have value as minus 5. So minus b. So when it comes here it becomes plus 5 and plus or minus square root of b square. B square is, b is minus 5. So square minus 4a. What is a? A is 2 and c is 2 again. Divided by 2a into 2. Now 5 plus or minus square root of 5 into 5, 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Divided by divided by 4. So x is equal to, now take 5 plus 3 divided by 4, and again x is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 4. So x is equal to 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. X is equal to 2. Okay, and here x is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. The solution set is x is equal to 1 by 2 and 2. Question number 2. Root 2 f square minus 6f plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. Now write what is a. A is equal to root 2 and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3 root 2. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the values. Minus b. b is already minus 6. So while minus 6 comes here, it becomes plus 6. Plus or minus square root of b square. That is, b is minus 6 whole square minus 4a. What is a? Root 2 into c. 3 root 2 by 2a. A root 2 is equal to 6 plus or minus 6 into minus 6. 6 into 6, 36. So 36 minus 4 into 3, 12. Or you can do here 4 root 2 into 3 root 2. So 4 3s are 12. Root 2, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. So it is 24. Minus 24 by 2 root 2. Okay. And x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 12. 12 divided by 2 root 2. Right? X is equal to 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 2 root 2 is equal to 6 plus root 12 by 2 root 2. And again x is equal to 6 minus root 12 divided by 2 root 2. And as you see, x is equal to 6 plus root 12 divided by 2 root 2. Now you can reduce this 12 into lowest. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So taking 2 as common and 3 within root. So x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. And here x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 3. In the place of 12, write 2 root 3. 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. And now 6 plus 2 root 2. This is common for both 6 plus 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. Now 6 and 2 has common multiple of 2. So 2 3s are 6 plus 2 1s are 2. So write remaining root 3 divided by 2 root 2. And then x is equal to same. 2 as common, 2 3s are 6 minus 2 1 2s are 2. So write remaining root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Now 2 2 cancel. Okay. And x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by root 2. And here x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by root 2. of y square is 3 and b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to minus 23. Okay, now x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the value of a, b and c. X is equal to minus b is minus and b is minus 20. While minus 20 comes here, it becomes plus 20 plus or minus b square. b is minus 20. Minus 20 whole square minus 4. a is 3 and b is minus 23. Divided by 2a. 2 into a. a is 3. Now 20 plus or minus square root of 20 into 20, that is 2 into 2, 4. So 0 into 0, double 0. 20 into 20, 400. Minus into minus plus. So 400 minus 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 23. So 23 into 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. So 6, 7, 276. So minus into minus plus. 276 divided by 3 2s are 6. Now add 400 plus 276. 400 plus 276 is 676. Okay. So 20 plus or minus square root of 676 divided by 6. And now 676, square root of 676. Before knowing square root of 676, you know 625. That is 625 is 25 into 25, 625. So 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4, 5. So 25 into 25 is 625. So we need 676. Go with next number, that is 26 into 26. 6 6 are 36, remaining 3. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. And 2 6 are 12, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 6 7 6. 676. So now write 20 plus or minus 676. Square root of 676 is 26. So write 26 by 6. And then x is equal to 20 plus 26 divided by 6. And again x is equal to 20 minus 26 divided by 6. So add x is equal to 46 by 6. And here x is equal to 20 minus 6. We have 26 is greater, so minus, right? Minus 6 by 6. Okay, now 46. 3 2s are 6. Go with 2 tables. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So x is equal to 23 by 3. And here 6 1s are 6. So it is minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Question number 4. 36 y square minus 12ay plus a square minus b square. Here we have y as common. So now take a is equal to 36 and b is equal to minus 12a. We have to take as minus 12a. So minus 12a and c is equal to a square minus b square. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b minus b. b is minus 12a. So minus will become plus 12a. Okay, plus or minus. So b square is minus 12a whole square minus 4a. A is 36 into c. A square minus b square by 2a. 2 into a. A is 36. So x is equal to 12a plus or minus 12 into 12. 12 into 12, 144. A into a square. Minus into minus plus. Now 36 into 4. 6 4s are 24. Remaining 2. 4 3s are 12. 13, 14. 144 within bracket a square minus b square. Divided by 6 2s are 12. Remaining 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now 12a plus or minus 144 a square minus 144 into a square. 144 a square minus into minus becomes plus, and 144 into b square. 144 b square by 72. Now you can see 144 a square minus 144 a square, like terms. So 144 a square minus 144 a square is 0. So then we have x is equal to 12a plus or minus 144 b square. So 144 b square divided by 72. Now x is equal to 112a plus or minus 144. Root of 144 is 12 into 12, 144. B square. We have square. Square square cancel. Only b. So 12b divided by 72. And now x is equal to 12a plus 12b divided by 72. And again x is equal to 12a minus 12b divided by 72. Now we have common as 12. 12 ones are 12, so 12a plus 12b. Okay, to multiply we will be getting same. 12 into a, 12a. 12 into b, 12b divided by 72. Okay, now 12 ones are 12, 6 are 72. X is equal to a plus b by 6. And here x is equal to, we have 12, 12 common. So take 12 and remaining a minus b divided by 72. So x is equal to 12 ones are 12, 6 are. So a minus b by 6. Question number 3. A ball rolls down a slope and travels a distance t is equal to r square minus 0.75 t feet in t seconds. Find the time when the distance traveled by the ball is 11.25 feet. So what is given? Distance is equal to r square minus 0.75 t. So distance is also given. It is given as when the distance traveled by the ball is 11.25 feet. So distance is equal to 11.25 is equal to r square minus 0.75 t. To remove the decimal places, so multiply both the sides with 100. So tens 100. So multiply with 100. So that 11.25 will become 1125 is equal to into r 100 into r square, 100 r square minus 0.75 t into 100. So the decimal place will be removed and we will be getting 75 t. So taking 1125 to the each term by 25. So 0 is equal to 25 divided by 100 is 25 fours are 100. 100. So 4 r square minus 75 divided by 25. How many times? 3. 3 into 25, 75. So 1125 divided by 25. So 4 times is 100 and then take next number 2, 1. So 4, 25 5s are 125. So this 45. Now you have to take what is the value of A, B and the C. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 45. Now using formula x is equal to plus or x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the value of a, b and c. Right, x is equal to minus b. So minus b is minus 3. So while it comes here it becomes plus 3. Plus or minus b square. B square is minus 3 square. Minus 3 square minus 4ac. 4a. A is 4 and c is minus 45. Divided by 2a. A is equal to 4. Now x is equal to minus plus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 into 3 is 9 minus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 45. So 45 into 16. 6 5s are 30. 0 remaining 3. 6 4s are 24. 25, 26 and 27. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 0, 12, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 720. So minus into minus is plus 720. Divided by 4 2s are 8. So x is equal to plus 3 plus or minus square root of 720 plus 9 is 729 divided by 8. So x is equal to 729. 729. So you have to find square root for 729. 729. So last two we have only 7. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. So 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Take next to two numbers. 329. So multiply 2 into 2 is 4. What will be the next number? So 4 into last number is 9. So multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. So go with 4 into 7. So that 7 7s are 49. Remaining 4. 7 4s are 28. 29, 30, 31, 32. 329. So it is 27 into 27. So write 27 divided by 8. Now x is equal to plus 3 plus 27 divided by 8. The other side x is equal to 3 minus 27 divided by 8. So x is equal to 27 plus 3, 30. 30 by 8. And here x is equal to 27 minus 3 is 24. Here we have 27 greater, so minus 24 by 8. 8 1s are 8 3s are. So therefore x is equal to minus 3. And here also we will go in two tables. 2 4s are 2 15s are. So therefore x is equal to 15 by by 4. And as it is given us to find the time when the distance is travelled by the ball in 11.25 feet, it will not be negative. So the time will be positive. So the x is equal to 15 by 4. And students, now we have come to the end of this exercise. Practice all the sums. Thank you.